Welcome to Let's Make Learning English Easy channel. If you are new to the channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe Let's Make Learning English Easy channel. In today's video, we are going to learn normal English versus advanced English. This video will help you to upgrade your basic English level to advanced English level, and it will also enrich your advanced English vocabulary. So without any further ado, let's start the video. Meet, catch up, hungry, starving, very happy, over the moon, very busy, swamped, angry, pissed off, very tired, exhausted, fell asleep, nodded off, very cold, freezing, hurry up, chop chop, good luck, break a leg, wasting time, paffing around, lucky, jammy, secret, under wraps, very rarely, once in a blue moon, get married, tie a note. How are you? How is it going? Not difficult, not a rocket science. Very tired, worn out. Come, drop in. Hope this video will be helpful to you guys. In case if this video is helpful and you liked it, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. And please do share your genuine feedback related to this video or any other videos on this channel in the comment section, because your feedback really motivates me to bring you new videos every day.